How to sell on Coinbase wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can sell on Coinbase wallet. So in order to sell on Coinbase wallet, first thing first, you'll have to check your internet connection and then log in into your Coinbase wallet. So in order to sell or buy on Coinbase wallet, you can do this procedure with the help of a coinbase.com or Coinbase. In my case, I don't have enough funds or I don't have a fund, so there's no such option as sell. So what you can do is you can simply get started with your coinbase.com. So for that, open up your Coinbase or log in into your Coinbase application. So once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the interface that looks something like this. So before you do this procedure, make sure that your wallet and Coinbase is linked or that you have authorized. So here you'll need to scroll down a bit and go to sell. So tap the minus icon located right over here, and then you'll be asked to select the cryptos or the asset that you wish to sell. So type in the information. So for example, I'm gonna go with the BTC, which is Bitcoin. So once you select Bitcoin, next page, it's gonna ask you to enter in the amount of Bitcoin that you wish to sell, and you also need to enter in the wallet address where you actually selling. Or sometimes you do not have to do that procedure. And so once you're done entering all of the information, lastly you'll have to go through all of the review and information pages. So there you have to check whether the information that you've provided is correct or valid enough or not. And once you've done that, click the submit button, and then you'll be notified that you have successfully sold an asset on Coinbase wallet. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And once you're done selling it, it's gonna show you